Guys, today we're going to make a new tier list. We're going to make Cartoon Network cartoons tier list, to the best, to the worst. Let's get started. Adventure Time. I don't even need to talk. We're going to put it this easy peasy to the god tier. Adventure Time is one of the best cartoons out there. I recommend you to watch it. It is a masterpiece. Yeah. Apple Onion, we have the first example of FT shit tier. Why? Why the fuck is this even exist? I mean, we got Ben 10, I'm going to put it A class, Alien Force, even best, Ultimate Alien, in Omniverse. Now we have the new Ben 10, I mean, AC tier. We have the original 4 seasons about Ben growing, maturing. Now it is all started all again. I mean, why? You have a crazy good cartoon with a good merchandising, and you have ruined it to make a rerun. I mean, it's not a rerun. How it's called? I don't care. The new Ben 10 is not to the level of the old Ben 10. Camp Lazlo, I'm gonna put him easy peasy to the B tier. It was a funny show, I remember. He has a good not plot, but it was really funny. We have Chowder, another Chowder. I'm going to put him to A tier. No, a high A tier. Chowder was a crazy good cartoon. I recommend you to watch it because it is underrated. It was really good. You have Ray, I think it is for Clarence, I mean. All the background, guardi, all the background of Clarence, we are not going to count it. Clarence is a fucking crazy masterpiece. The cartoon only the cartoon. Everything that is not relatable to the cartoon, we're not going to count it. But the cartoon, I mean, is one of the best cartoon out there. I'm going to make another line for the things that I didn't watch. We're going to put it, I mean, here, purple, gray, not watched. We have this one, Glass 3000, didn't watch. We have this one, Kids Next Door, I mean, easy peasy, one of B tier, I mean, do we even need to talk? The Coward Dog, I mean, this is one of the best cartoons out there. The plot, everything, it makes what it was created to make. It makes you scary, and I mean, it does his job really good. We have Cow and Chicken. Easy peasy A tier. Who didn't laugh watching Cow and Chicken? There was even the devil. I mean, bruh, the devil. Cow and Chicken. There is the fucking devil. What the fuck is that even meaning? But you know, it was a really good show. We have Craig, I'm going to put him here. Dexter Laboratory, easy peasy B tier. Dexter was really funny, but this smart kid named Dexter, he has a laboratory. It was really smart. He has annoying sisters. Fucking great cartoon. I recommend you. This, I don't know what the fuck is this. This is Home for Imaginary Friends. I'm going to put him to C tier. It was good, but it wasn't the greatest cartoon out there, you know? Generator X. Okay, listen me. Generator X was a good cartoon. It started good and it ended like shit. If we are counting the starting, I'm going to put him in a class. Ending F class. Overall B class. It was really good, but the ending was really shit. Grim and Evil, I mean, this is easy peasy a S class. Great cartoon. I don't even need to talk. Don't know you. Infinity Train. I didn't watch it yet, but I know that is really good. In the internet is talking good about Infinity Train, so I need to see it very soon. Johnny Bravo, easy peasy, Beater, one of the great cartoon. C tier. We got. Didn't watch this. Don't know. Watch this. Later. My gym party is a monkey. This is so stupid cartoon. I mean, it was fun maybe for one season. Later, I don't know. I didn't like it so much. Okay, KO, C tier. Powerpuff Girl, A tier. Regular show, I mean, God tier. Do we even need to talk? Easy peasy God tier. This D tier, Samurai Jack, I mean, S tier. Bella, Secret Mountain, I didn't watch it. Squirrel Boy, I mean, easy peasy, S tier. Great fucking cartoon. Star Wars, A tier. Steven Universe Future, easy peasy. God tier. Steven Universe, God tier. Didn't watch it. We have Bionic Titan, B tier. Teen Titans Go, A tier. I know. It isn't like the original Teen Titans, I'm going to put it in S tier, but Teen Titans Go is still funny, okay? The Amazing World of Gumball, I'm gonna say easy peasy, God tier. I don't know which one is this. Millie and Mandy, I mean, S tier. Didn't watch it. Don't remember. It was about the kid and the old guy. Okay, B tier. It was still funny. Powerpuff Girl, A tier. Don't know which one it is. Secret Saturday, I'm gonna say B tier. It was good. It has a cameo with Ben 10, but overall, not the best, not the worst, in the middle. Didn't watch this. Didn't watch this. Uncle Grandpa. Going to put it in a C tier. Okay, Uncle Grandpa is this meme about Cartoon Network. You know, it is one of the most stupid cartoon out there. We don't need to talk about this, but I mean, it's not the worst, you know. Didn't watch this. We didn't watch this. This maybe We Were Bears. I'm gonna put it easy peasy to S tier. Okay. Great cartoons. This is my overall Cartoon Network cartoons tier list. I hope you watched the video. Yes, I know. there are a lot that I didn't have watched. I know Infinity Train, they have talked very good about it. If it is good as it is, I'm going to put him easy peasy to the S tier. But for me, this is my tier list. I hope you liked the video, subscribe, leave a comment, visit to the next tier list.